Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm here with Tiege Hanley. This is a men's monthly skincare subscription. Is that like a new thing? I've never heard of one before, and I think that makes this super cool and unique. So you go on their site and right away you're like, oh, it's a skincare company. It's a skincare system, which is really cool. So basically this is the most uncomplicated way for men to clean their skin ever, because they send it to you and they tell you what to do, and it's a 3-step process, or it's anywhere from 1 to 3-step process. So this has, I don't know if you can see it, like a 3 right there. I'm guessing this is a 3. So you can go on and say 1, 2, or 3, and it goes 25, 35, 45 for each. So I'm guessing this is the most expensive. They do ship international. I'm trying to remember everything I wanted to say about them because I just want to make sure I'm covering all the bases. I think this is a great gift. It's a really cool, look at how little, like it's just simple. You know how guys are no frills. They don't want to feel like you're primping them or something like that. But this is a great way to get your guy doing all the good steps without making him feel like you're trying to get him to be one of the girls or whatever. All right, so you open it up and it's like this. Tiege Hanley, uncomplicated skincare for men. Thank you for your order. And then it tells you about it. The back here, though, outlines how to use the products, and it also goes into each system. So if you're doing step 1, if you're just doing this one system, the number 1 system, it's like system 1, system 2, system 3, it'll tell you only for level 3, do this. So it does also go through a morning and an evening routine, which I think is really cool because I don't think my husband understands that there's a routine. Like, he's just like, what are you doing? I don't know what you're doing over there at night. He just thinks I'm crazy. So anyway, so this makes it really easy for guys. Like, there's just 1, 2, 3. That's it. Done. Boom. All right. I am going to link you guys to my full review as well. This is just the unboxing video. So here we have, ooh, look. Oh, I love all these products. And then I will go in depth, like where each of these falls in the system categories, if you're interested in that. So here's the box. Here's everything in there. So our first product is the wash. And I'm guessing this is our first product that we'd use. The Uncomplicated Skincare for Men Wash Daily Face Wash. This is a 2.5 ounces. Best use, wet face with warm water, massage a nickel-sized amount of wash onto your face and neck to remove excess dirt and grime. Rinse, use mornings and evenings prior to moisturizing. So then we have that. And then they do have tips on their site for detailed usage tips. Check out their website. So that's that. Then we have a scrub, which you're going to use probably once or twice a week. I'm not sure. Wet face with warm water, gently rub, wash onto your face, rinse face twice per week, gently massage, scrub onto your face. Oh, it says it right there. 2 times per week facial exfoliating scrub. 2 times per week, non-consecutive days after washing your face, gently massage a nickel-sized amount of scrub all over your wet face in a circular motion. Rinse, pat dry, and proceed with product application. Do not overuse the scrub. We all know that, though, as women. And most men probably know that, too. All right, then we have morning facial moisturizer. So level 3 only apply serum. So these 2 products are your level 3 products. There's a super serum and an eye serum. These are facial firming serum. So there's those. So in the morning you would, I'm just walking you through the routine. Apply serum evenly to your entire face. Allow product to fully dry before continuing. And then that is, caution, it is very important to put on AM moisturizer with SPF 20 when using serum before going out in the sun. Probably that contains retinol then, maybe. I'm not sure. I don't want to look now. I don't want to take up all your time. All right, so then level 2 and 3 only apply eyes evenly around your eyes. So you take this eye serum, so that must come in the level 2 as well, and you put that around your eyes. So for your evening, wet face with warm water, use your wash. So this is meant to last the month, which it will, because the guys are going to use it just like they're supposed to, a nickel-sized amount. Pat dry with towel. Level 3 only apply serum again. Apply 2 and 3 only no, level 2 and 3 only apply eyes again, and then apply your PM moisturizer. So I didn't even do show you guys the moisturizer today. Here are the 2 moisturizers. So that's it. It's so simple. What do you guys think of this? Let me know down below. I'm actually thinking about maybe doing like a full review, like trying men's skincare products for a week and seeing the results. What do you guys think? So anyway, let me know what you think down below. I will also link to my full review. Check that out too. And I'll also link to Tiege Hanley. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.